What's up, everybody? It's Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com with another video to help make your Orlando vacation awesome. What are we talking about this time? We're going to talk about things to do in September. So if you're here in Florida this fall, have we got a video for you? Here are some fun things to do in Orlando in September. But first, if you haven't done this yet, and why haven't you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, let's get to it. The weather in September is still warm. Some nights can get a little cooler, but here in Florida, we're heading right in the middle of hurricane season. There will be afternoon showers, but most days will be sunny and clear, so here's how to enjoy it. Crowds fluctuate in Orlando and theme parks in September. Since school is back in session, going to the parks during the day may not be too busy. But as we get closer to Halloween events, several parks may have busy nights and/or weekends. Also in Epcot, the Food and Wine Festival begins in July and runs through the fall. Here, kiosks with food and wine from around the world are strewn about. If you're a foodie, and who isn't, you have to check out this event. It is held every day in the World Showcase. Little tip, get a gift card to put money on so you can budget all the tasty treats. In SeaWorld Orlando, immerse yourself in exotic worlds of light and music and experience your favorite attractions in a whole new way with Electric Ocean. Join playful, glowing sea creatures and world-class DJs for a family-friendly dance party between the waves. Then end the night with the all-new Ignite 360, a fireworks and fountain spectacular that brings the brilliance of the sea to the sky above. It runs on select dates, May through September, including Memorial Day and Labor Day. SeaWorld also has an incredible party for craft beer lovers, which, I don't know if you can see this gut, I'm one of them, okay? SeaWorld's Craft Beer Festival features more than 100 craft brews, wines, seltzers, and cocktails. Sample an unbeatable mix of domestic and local Florida favorites, plus savor more than 20 food items expertly paired to match your preferred brew. Oh my goodness, it's like going to a fancy restaurant and they go, oh no, have the fish with the red wine or white wine. Love this. And to top it all off, festive entertainment will keep the party going all day long. The fun is brewing Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, August through September. Now in Orlando, we start celebrating Halloween in September. Why? Because we're awesome. Here is where you can get treats and some screams. Summon your Scream Squad. I think you do that by going, ah, but exactly like that. To Universal Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights, or HHN if you're cool, the world's premier Halloween event. Face 10 haunted houses, 5 scare zones, 2 live shows, and some of Universal Orlando, Florida's most exciting attractions. Whether you're a super fan, here for the snacks or selfies, scared of everything, or skeptical of everyone, never go alone. This is a separately ticketed event for mature audiences. Speaking of mature audiences, Howl-O-Scream starts in Orlando in September on select nights in SeaWorld Orlando. Evade angry haunts as they rampage through scare zones. Seek shelter indoors only to find you've entered a house of horrors. Horrors. Deepen the thrill with a nighttime coaster ride. Quench your thirst for fear at a fiendishly interactive bar. Feel the monstrous electricity of live shows. Experience 28 nights of fully immersive fear only at SeaWorld Orlando. This is a separately ticketed event and for more mature audiences. If you're looking for a fun thing to do for your young ones, during the fall, check out SeaWorld Orlando's Spooktacular. It runs on weekends from September to Halloween and is included with park admission. All guests are welcome to dress up in costumes. During the event, there are, of course, the true point of Halloween, trick-or-treat trails. Every dentist's dream. Spooktacular also includes dance parties, face painting, and character interactions. Next is Legoland Florida's Brick or Treat. It is a Halloween event with tons of candy, an all-new show lineup, never-before-seen exclusive Lego characters, and an all-new cinematic experience to create the ultimate family Halloween celebration. Children are encouraged to dress up in their Halloween costumes. The event is included with a day ticket but is on select nights in late September and through October. one of my favorites, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It is a separately ticketed event in Magic Kingdom during the fall. It is Halloween themed with treat trails, live entertainment, fireworks, themed snacks, dance parties, and special meet and greets. Families are encouraged to dress up. However, those over 14 cannot cover their face. Okay? It runs select dates for 37 nights from August through October. Now that we've gone over Orlando events of September, what should you pack? I'm suggesting clothes. All right, good night. No. We talked about the weather in Orlando during September. Our summer is in full swing. Here are a few things you should consider packing during your trip to Orlando. A swimsuit. This is a must to escape the hot sun. Most hotels and vacation homes have pools. There are also several water parks in the Central Florida area, and the beach is only about an hour away. Clothing. If you burn early, wearing something moisture wicking or with UV blocking can help. Make sure your clothes breathe. It might get cold at night, so having a light jacket on hand would help as well. Hats. Sun protection is key, but a full dad hat or wide-brimmed sun hat helps to protect your face as well. Shoes. The shoes you bring should be comfortable, especially when visiting the theme parks. You're going to be walking a lot. We suggest tennis shoes for long-term comfort. Maybe wear an extra pair of socks if it's a cold day. If you're planning on wearing new shoes, make sure to wear them before your trip to avoid blisters. Okay, ponchos and umbrellas. Yeah, it's going to rain. Let's just call it. It will rain. It is important to bring a poncho or small umbrella with you. We recommend picking up a poncho from a store prior to your trip, as the price can jump dramatically once you're at the theme parks. Blankets. You know what? Blankets are awesome. Bringing a blanket can help warm everyone up when the sun goes down, especially if you're waiting for the fireworks. Also, there are a lot of places where you can watch the fireworks on a lawn. Sun protection. Always have sunscreen on to help protect your skin. This helps avoid having any sunburns during your trip to Orlando. And of course, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Also, don't forget to check out our permanently banned TikTok, because apparently we're awful people.